Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a CLA Effects plugin from Waves on a guitar. So I've got this guitar part that just needs something extra just to make it poke out the mix. So let's hear the track, and then I'm going to solo the part and then bring in the effects. So let's bypass it first of all and hear the track. Okay, let's solo the guitar. Let's bring in the effects. Now there's lots of elements of this plugin that I don't need. I don't need to EQ it, I don't need to distort it, but I'm going to be using reverb, the delay and the pitch. We're not going to be using the long delay as that uses this part of the plugin here to set up delay throws. So as we're not doing that, we're going to leave that alone. So first of all, let's bring in the reverb. Let's choose room. Let's turn it up a bit. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is create some width by using some delays. So let's try dotted eighths first of all. Let's turn it up. Okay, let's bring it back. Just so it sits in the mix. Let's try that. Let's bypass the plugin. Just by using a couple of elements of this plugin, that guitar is really poking out the mix. But we can add some stereo width now by using the pitch control. Let's try chorus. Let's bring it back. Let's solo the part. Actually, let's try Mr. Wide. Let's try tape phase. And try the chorus again. And let's hear that in the track. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. I hope you guys got something out of that, and I'll see you next time.